Okay.
Why are you recording all this?
I'm not recording, I'm filming. Oh, basically it's a video. It's a video of me taking photos and it's a POV video. It's kind of cool. Kia Rod! I thought you weren't coming.
I wasn't.
Yeah,
And then I decided yesterday afternoon that I was coming because I thought Ollie Stevens was going to be here.
Alright. Yeah, don't end up in a fence. What, Ethan? Want a photo? Nice, that's a good photo.
Oh, that's good. Where's a good watching area?
Here? That's the track.
Stand right in the middle. Right.
Oh, that's my old car.
What do you mean?
That's my old car.
Like actually your...
That's mine. My old car. That's my car. That is my old car. But TA44. Damn, I'm taking a picture of my own car. My old car.
They're very light.
Oh, look
Look
at
at the dog. Yes.
Got it.
It's so cute. Can I see?
Dog. Oh, no good. Fast. Very fast. Let's go watch racing.
Okay, let's go.
That's why I gotta put my lens hood on.
Oh jeez, I think my eyes.
Smile, Ethan. Nice. Change lens. Class 1 brakes after the 2 races that's happened. Let's go. Right. That's nice. That's nice.
Dave Westlake, can we have you to pick control, please? That's Dave Westlake to pick control.
Oh, I'm so annoyed. And then Amy went, oh, you're not doing wheeling here. Oh, they need to get that.
Can we have you down to the line now, please? That's stock action class 4. Can we have you down to the line?
Going to get burgers? Right,
Finalists for men's class 1 are P66, TA16, P55, P2, P1 and P7.
Oh! I think I got that. Oh!
Can I see?
Oh, that's such a good photo. That's a genius.